Do you often eat fast food, or do you try to eat healthy food? In this video, you will learn English with a simple conversation about food habits. Let's practice useful phrases together.
So, what do you usually eat?
I try to eat healthy food. I eat a lot of vegetables and fruit.
That's good.
How about you?
Well, I like fast food. I eat burgers and fries a lot.
Oh, I see.
I know it's not very healthy.
Yeah, but it's tasty.
Exactly.
Do you cook at home?
Not really.
Why not?
I'm not good at cooking. Do you cook?
Yes, I do. I cook almost every day.
That's amazing.
It's not difficult.
What do you usually cook?
I cook simple meals like salad, pasta, and soup. I try to use fresh vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Do you want to try cooking?
Maybe.
I can teach you. It can be fun.
Okay, I'll try.
Great. Let's cook together sometime.
Sounds good.
How much did you understand? Not really is a very useful phrase in English. It means no, but it sounds softer and more natural. Do you eat fast food often, or do you prefer healthy food? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.